Hello friends, I hope you are doing great with your family and friends. In this video, I disassemble the Royal Enfield Thunderbird tail lamp to make an idea for you so you can modify your tail lamp in your way. So let's start the video guys. As you can see here, I unscrewing the screws. There are two screws and two nuts. 10 mm nuts. Here you can see a socket of 10 mm. Don't use a big ratchet in a 1/2 inch. Use a quarter type. You can see in my other video I show it how to disassemble and assemble this rear tail lamp, but in this video the purpose of this video is different. You can see there are two upper bolts, underneath bolts of 10 mm. Now we remove this cover so that you can wrap it or remove a glass of tail lamp to change the LEDs inside it. Now we will remove these covers too. Don't push it too hard because there are some locks which are, one of them is stuck here, as you can see here, one on the other side. Here you can see now the tail lamp is totally uncovered. This is all. To reassemble it, you should put it the lock first, then on the back side, as you can see here. You can do any type of modes in this slide. I hope you like the video. If you have any type of queries or question, you can comment it in the box. I will try my best to answer the questions. And if you like the video, please share it and please like the video.